Hey everyone! Sonos has introduced the latest iteration of its smart speaker lineup with the Sonos Roam 2, a second-generation model that brings several notable upgrades and enhancements. One of the standout features of the Sonos Roam 2 is its out-of-the-box usability. Unlike its predecessor, which required a more involved setup process via the Sonos app and a Wi-Fi connection, the Roam 2 can be used directly as a Bluetooth speaker. This significant change makes the Roam 2 more versatile and user-friendly, allowing for immediate use without the need for extensive setup procedures. The Roam 2 includes a dedicated Bluetooth pairing button, which is a departure from the previous model, where pairing was achieved through the power button. This dedicated button simplifies the pairing process, making it easier for users to connect their devices. The Sonos Roam 2 features a built-in battery setup, offering a maximum continuous playback time of up to 10 hours on a full charge. The battery includes several optimization features that enhance performance and durability. This design choice contrasts with recent Sonos Move models, which have replaceable batteries, and emphasizes portability and convenience. The addition of more physical buttons on the Roam 2 further simplifies its operation. These buttons provide a more intuitive and accessible way to control the speaker, enhancing the overall user experience. A key feature of the Roam 2 is its ability to operate independently of Wi-Fi connectivity and app-based setup. This flexibility makes it an excellent option for users who prefer straightforward Bluetooth functionality without the need for network dependencies. The Sonos Roam 2 supports Sound Switch, a feature that allows for seamless switching of music between the Roam and other Sonos speakers. This functionality provides a cohesive audio experience across multiple Sonos devices. The speaker is powered via a USB-C port, providing a modern and efficient charging solution. However, it should be noted that the USB-C port lacks a line input, which may be a consideration for some users. The Sonos Roam 2 is priced at $179 and is available from selected retailers. This price point reflects the speaker's advanced features, high-quality build, and the renowned audio performance that Sonos is known for. The Sonos Roam 2 portable smart speaker represents a significant upgrade over its predecessor, offering enhanced usability, better battery performance, and simplified controls. Its out-of-the-box functionality and ability to operate without app setup or Wi-Fi connectivity make it a versatile and user-friendly option for both new and existing Sonos users. With features like dedicated Bluetooth pairing, additional physical buttons, and sound switch, the Roam 2 is set to deliver an exceptional portable audio experience. What do you think about the new speaker? Write your opinion in the comments. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day, and God bless you.